more about that with Pavitra, but let's first also look at something that we had promised in the last very segment, and we are talking about the genetic testing market that we are really talking about. And Ekta is right here to talk about it and how slowly India is making a mark in this particular competitive space. Ekta, over to you.
Thanks for that. Well, yes, the India reports indicate that the global genetic testing market is currently worth around $17 billion in terms of market size, and with the Indian size relatively small at around $60 million. However, while the size might be small, India is known to offer actually some of the cheapest genetic tests in the world, priced at 50 to 70% in terms of a discount to its global peers. And the market is only becoming more competitive. For example, a few weeks ago, the buzz was Reliance-owned Bangalore-based genomics-based research and diagnostics company Strand Diagnostics was rolling out one of their most economical offerings, a genome sequencing test at 12,000 rupees. Genome testing is also known as genetic testing, is the process of analyzing any individual's DNA to identify any genetic variations or mutations that may cause or increase the risk of developing a particular disease or condition. This can be done for both healthy individuals who want to understand their genetic disposition to certain diseases, as well as for those who have been diagnosed with a disease to determine its underlying cause. Now, genome testing is different from routine lab tests as they require more investments in technology and skilled personnel. While it is growing, genome testing is still up to 10% of the sales for most of the traditional diagnostic players. Companies such as Strand Diagnostics, that was bought by Reliance Industries in 2021, MapMyGenome and MedGenome focus more specifically on genome testing. There are two broad categories of genome testing: a retail-focused test that is more directional and may not require clinicians' directive, and specialized clinicians-oriented tests that are more high-end and medically actionable. The commonality in both is B2B and B2C genome testing is pricing. Yes, while some specialized tests can go up to around 70 to 80,000 rupees, the average genome test package ranges anywhere between 7,000 to 12,000 rupees. For example, MapMyGenome's Genome Patri, which covers more than 100 health conditions, is offered at 6,999, while MedGenome's comprehensive inherited disorders cancer test is offered at around 12,000. Lastly, while genome testing has been around for over a decade, in India, experts say there is a need for stronger regulation and overview in the B2C market, as seen in the US, where drug regulators in fact halted DNA testing by Google-backed firm 23andMe's for 2 years due to lack of data to back up its marketing claims. Experts say India needs a clearer definition on what genome testing is, and especially what type of genetic test can be marketed to patients directly.
All right, Ekta, thanks a lot for getting us that complete picture on genetic testing in India. But with that, let's move on and